Hey guys, Casey Kid back with another video. Again today, we're going to be looking at a restoration, or starting a restoration series on my mom's Xbox Elite controller. So doing this with one hand is going to be difficult, but got a little bit of a hand motion to get her out. So the accessories, I'm not sure the original accessories that actually came with this guy, but what I do know is it came with these regular Xbox sticks, and she said it has stick drift, and I can't really tell it. However, I'll probably be able to tell. It doesn't seem to have stick drift, but then again, oh no, I can kind of feel it around. Okay, so I think the first step to getting this into working order again, at least for now, is to remove all the extra components, those being the joysticks, so I can actually see about more stick drift. I know she definitely needs a cleaning, like seriously. She said the battery pack was gone, but I'm not too concerned about that. This is going to be a multi-part series, so I'm going to figure some things out with it. And as I'm doing this, as you can see, it is kind of roughed up. So I am going to be looking at a few things on this, and then I will be right back. Now this video is going to focus solely on cleaning instead of disassembly. And in saying that, I'm having a spot of bother getting this stuff off, as I usually would with a regular controller. So just let me get these off really quick, and then I will be right back. Actually, I have an idea. If I could just counterbalance. Oh, hang on. Okay. Now looking at this here, we can just pull that up there. Let it kind of stay straight. Okay, now while I'm doing this, I'm going to just slightly pull out of the way. Okay, there we go. There's one. There's one. And as you can see, we're quite filthy. Interesting. And number two, which is going to be even more of a bother, I suspect. Just simply use your fingers. I'm teaching you how to do this with just kind of common house tools because, to be honest, we've got that kind of time. Oh, it looks like there's double-sided tape, a bit of there on there. Now, we've got those off. There is a T10 screw at the bottom of here, so we're just going to go ahead and feel around. Right there. I'm going to feel around. Puncture the tab. Oh. Let me just get my bit of bearings back. There we go. All right. Now, do this. I'm not afraid of voiding warranty because it would already be voided. I'm just going to go ahead and okay. Trying to get it. It's there. I'm just trying to get to it. Okay, hang on. There's a tool I need to get, and I can't really access it with camera and stuff in hand. There's actually something I have to look up on here, so we'll do that real quick. And I will be right back with this controller repair video. Okay, we are back, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of face this here. So what I've gotten into while just doing my own thing and looking what I needed to up, I also realized here that I'm going to need to put this camera down again to get bearings on it, which is fine. I'm simply going to be addressing the fix for the stick drift, so I'm going to do that. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Just a second. I know I've got the right bit, that's the thing. So let me check something before I go any further with this. Yeah, these are, I was right, so now I'm just going to use the C-bit as it recommends. I'm going to try to, here's what I'm going to try to do initially. Alright, the way these controllers go, hang on. Let me simply do this. Let me put this into my, I might have to go and just use a manual screwdriver for this. Yeah, I'm going to have to, which is perfectly okay. So, while you guys look at that, I'm just going to get my set out. Please stand by. Okay, we are back. And with that, I have my set here. Let me check something just with this real quick. I think I might be wrong, but okay. Let me go in and check in, and I'll be right back. Please stand by. And while we're back with this, the controller that being, now that I got that all sorted out, it's a bit dark to see. There we go. There's oh, she's not wanting to come out, which can be an issue. Let me just see why she's not wanting to come out. we go. One and two. Now, we're going to go ahead and post up on this side. I'm going to be doing a lot of lapsing in this video, so we're just going to do... You can see I have a magnetized bit here, so that way I don't lose any screws in the process of... Now, these are useful to have, although they're not a must. But they are very useful to have. So we're just going to go ahead and... Alright. Now, once these are removed, as you can see, this is easily accessible. Alright. Good, there we go. Now, number 5. I'm going to come out of here. Okay, there we go. Now, simply going to take that off. Quite a simple thing to do. Now, this is where we're going to address the stick drift. Okay, we're back here with everything taken off. Now let me go and put the camera down so that I can tape. Okay, there we go. Now, just so I can address the stick drift issue, I have to put in the camera in its appropriate place. But I can tell almost immediately that this does need a cleaning, and I can see exactly why we're stick drifting. Now I can understand why we're stick drifting. Okay, we're gonna put this guy back. So this one needs a cleaning, most definitely. These little mechanisms, but they work for us sometimes. There we go. I can understand why the stick drift is happening, being that it is in desperate need of a cleaning, and it's happening on this stick. So we're just going to remove. Now, these boards are usually I would try to remove, but I'm not going to. Actually, quite like the framework of these controllers, as well as the motors. I do really appreciate everything that these controllers have to offer, and this one is the one that has the stick drift. So what I'm going to do to address it is simply move around a few times to get it kind of unstuck. So what it is I've experienced this quite a few times, is it's getting stuck. So now